Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another campaign from Hitchfield. And this is the Seedance Cat. And for that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so before we get started, let me tour you here at the Hitchfield website. You will see here the explore button, image, video editing, the edit one, edit video, the character guys, you will have the face swap, character swap guys, contest, this is new, contest and earn, get paid for your content and explore creator showcases, Vibe Motion, Cinema Studio, AI Influencer and their applications, assist and the community guys. Okay, so right now we're going to talk about this Seedance 2.0 that will coming soon here at the Hitchfield guys. Okay, to notify for this update, just put your email here and click the notify me. Okay, so the number one key features of the Seedance 2.0 is the instant creation or the one-click video recreation guys. Turn a single sentence into a complete video, replicate trending clips, or reimagine iconic scenes. The AI captures style, structure, and intent so you can skip hours of manual editing guys. Okay, the next one is the multimodal engine. So unified multi-input control that feed up to 12 assets at once. Image, videos, audio clips, and text. So the Seedance 2.0 reads each input's role automatically and keeps your characters consistent no matter how many elements you combine. The next one is the pixel control, frame level, precision. Every character, object, and composition detail stays locked across your entire video. So control font, scenes, transition, and screen rhythm that down to individual frames for a polished professional result guys. Also the multi-camera storytelling or the narrative flow generates new storylines or extend existing videos with natural shot connection guys. Okay? So character movements, narration, environmental sounds, and camera angles stay in perfect audio visual sync across every cut guys. You see here, okay? So every single angles guys, okay? So next one is the dynamic action, high impact motion for action scene guys. Okay, so generate intense action and fight scenes, sequence with realistic body dynamics, collision effects, and fast camera tracking. Complex multi-character interactions stay fluid and physical grounded guys. Okay, to join the waitlist here, just click the join the waitlist or click the link on my description down below guys. Okay, so video generated with Seedance. Okay, so this is the Seedance example video guys when you generate your own video. Okay, so the next one, this one guys, okay, here, some example of the Seedance 2.0. Okay guys, an action movie, an interview also guys. Okay, athletic, and okay, so another explanation video guys or just visual or trailer guys. Okay, so community over 15 million user right now is the Hitchfield guys. And right now they are waiting for the release of the Seedance 2.0, the creative engine guys, the future of video. Okay, so just turn text, image, and audio into cinematic, videos, multi-camera storytelling, and frame level precision guys. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this application guys and new update and coming soon of this update guys, so comment down below, share it to your friends, and like this video. And then we're going to update this again if there's another campaign or if the Seedance 2.0 will come up on Hitchfield guys. So again, this is Crypto saying bye bye.